Want to see what Windows security has detected or blocked on your PC? Protection History keeps a record of recent security actions. In this guide, I'll show you how to open it, understand the alerts, and safely review what Windows has done. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the main security dashboard. From the dashboard, select Virus and Threat Protection, then find Protection History and open it. This page lists recent detections and security actions taken by Microsoft Defender. Each entry can show information about a detected threat, potentially unwanted app, or another security event. Look at the detection name, severity, and the action Windows took. So don't just focus on the warning color. Read the details first. Select an individual alert to expand its details. Depending on the detection, Windows may show whether the item was removed, quarantined, blocked, or still needs your attention. If Windows has quarantined a file, it has isolated the item to help prevent it from running normally. Be careful with the available actions. Restoring a file can put your computer at risk if the detection is legitimate. Protection History can also show potentially unwanted apps, sometimes called unwanted applications. These may not be traditional viruses, but they can affect your experience or install unwanted software. Review these alerts before deciding whether any action is needed. If an alert says action is needed, open the entry and follow the recommended option provided by Windows Security. Depending on the situation, that could mean removing or quarantining the detected item. If you're unsure about a file, don't manually restore or allow it. After dealing with an alert, you can return to Protection History later to check for new detections. If the same threat keeps appearing, consider running a full scan or Microsoft Defender offline scan, and that's how to check Protection History in Windows Security. Reviewing these alerts can help you understand what Defender has blocked and whether something needs attention. When in doubt, leave suspicious items quarantined and investigate before restoring them.